My dear student, in this section, I'm going to talk about Python PIP, which is PIP. I don't know if maybe that is a correct spelling, but that is how I pronounce it. So PIP is a package manager for Python packages or modules, if you like. So PIP is included by default in Python version 3.0 or later. So what is a package? A package contains all the files you need for a module. So previously we talked about that modules are Python code library you can include it in your project. So let's quickly check if PEP is installed. So to do that, you click on terminal in this place and you type pep dash dash version. As you can see, I have pep be installed on my computer. If for some reason pep is not installed on your computer, you can download and install it from this website from here, which is pep.org/project/pep/5. So you can get it from this website, just in case if pep is not installed on your computer. So let's quickly go ahead and download a package, then install it. So to do that, let's download a package named camel case and see how it works. So on my Python, all I need to do in my Python, in my terminal, I just need to type pep. I want you to install camel case for me, and so it's gonna go ahead and download it and install it for me. So once that is done, so how can we use it? It's very easy to implement. So on my Python console, all I need to do is that since I have downloaded it, I just need to import the camel case package into my project. So I'm going to use the keyword import, which is camel case, and now I can use it. So let's say c is equal to camel case in this case. Yeah, I want to call a method there, which is camel case, and supposing I have a test as a variable, and the test I just have all lowercase, which is Dr. Python is awesome. Let's see, awesome. All right, so I have Dr. Python is awesome. So in the print statement, see how we use it. We can call C, then we need to call oops. So we need to pass in our test. If I'm correct, test. I think there's an error. This should be test. Exactly. So as you can see, Dr. Python is awesome has now been converted to camel case. So the D, which is lower letter, has been converted to capital letter. The P, which is a lower case, has been converted to capital P. And yeah, Dr. Python is awesome. I hope you see how it works. So how do you find a package? To find a package is relatively simple. All you need to do is to go to this website, which is pypi.org, and you can search for whatever package that you have interest or that you're looking for. So how do you uninstall a package? It's very simple. All you need to do, you go back to your command line and you say pep, I want you to uninstall camel case, in this case camel case, and it's gonna do it for you like a magic. Uninstall is not spelled correctly. Uninstall. So this is how you spell uninstall. So when I press an enter, so it will go. It's asking me, do I want to proceed? Yes, and boom, it has been removed in my computer. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next section. And bye.